Hello and welcome to my handcrafted corner. Today we are going to make this beautiful crochet flower pattern. This is how it looks on the back. It can be used as a coaster or any other project that you wish to use it for. Let's get started. For this project we are going to use a 3mm hook, and we will start our work with a slip knot. Next we will chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we will go with the hook in the first chain here and join the work with a slip stitch. This way we have made a magic circle or a magic ring. We will chain 1 and start our first round. We will also carry this yarn in the back of our work to hide it this way. So we will go and work in this ring 1/2 double crochet. For this we have to yarn over once, go with the hook into the ring, grab the yarn and pull it through all 3 loops. Let's do this one more time. So yarn over once, go and grab the yarn and pull it through all 3 loops. And we have here 2 half double crochets. We will continue to make half double crochets on this round until we reach 16. 3, 4, and so on until we have 16. I have completed all my half double crochets, and we will now join the work by going into this first stitch from the back of the work and slip stitch. Chain 1 to secure the work, and we can cut the yarn at this point. We can also cut this yarn. And we will join the next color. With my next color, I will first make a slip knot, and we will start our work in any of these stitches that we have created on our previous round. But first we will yarn over 12 times. We have to place the finger like this to secure this first loop. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And we will go in any of these stitches. We will grab the yarn and pull it through this stitch first. So we should now have 14 loops. So we have 12 yarn overs and this first loop and this last one that we have just made. So in total 14. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and 14. And we will grab this yarn and pull it through all these 14 loops. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and 14. Next we will chain 1, and this will be our repeat for this round. Let's do this together one more time. So we will yarn over 12 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And we will go into the next stitch. Grab the yarn and pull it through. So now we should have 14 loops. And we will grab the yarn and pull it through all these 14 loops. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and 14. Chain 1, and this completes our second repeat. Let's do it one more time. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We go into the next stitch, grab the yarn and pull it through this stitch, and we should have now 14 loops. Grab the yarn and pull it through all these 14. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and 14. Chain 1, and we have completed now 3 repeats. And these are the petals of our flower. So we will do like this for 13 more times until we reach the end, and by the end of this round we should have a total of 16 repeats. I have completed all my 16 repeats. This is how our work looks on the back, and we will join the work next by going into this first stitch and slip stitch. And we will start our third round by chaining 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we will go into the second space between two motifs. So this is the first space. We have worked in this one, and we will skip the second one, and we will go into this third one and make a slip stitch. And this will be our repeat for this third round. We will chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip the next space and go into the second one and make a slip stitch. And again chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we will repeat this 5 more times. So by the end of this round we should have a total of 8 repeats. So this chain 5 covers 2 motifs of the previous round. I have completed all my repeats 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, and now we will join the work by going in this first stitch and slip stitch. And we will start our next round, and we will work in this round in these chain 5 spaces that we have created on the previous round, and we will start with a slip stitch, chain 1 and go into this chain of 5 space and make 1/2 double crochet. Then we will make 2 double crochets, 1, 2, and then 1 triple crochet. For this we have to yarn over twice, go into this chain of 5 space, grab the yarn and pull it through 2 loops once, through the next 2 loops twice, and through the last 2 loops the third time. And next we will work in reverse this part, so 2 more double crochets, 1, 2, 1/2 double crochet, chain 1 and slip stitch. So this will be our repeat for this round. Let's do this together one more time. So we will go into the next chain 5 space and slip stitch. Next we will chain 1, make 1/2 double crochet, make 2 double crochets, 1, 2, 1 triple crochet, then work in reverse, 2 double crochets, 1, 2, 1/2 double crochet, chain 1 and slip stitch. And we have completed our second repeat, and we will continue to work in this way for 6 more times until we reach here at the end. So we should have a total of 8 repeats. I have completed all my repeats for this last round, and now we will join the work again from the back. We go in this first stitch here, grab this loop and slip stitch. Chain 1 and we can cut the yarn at this point. This is our final flower. This is how it looks on the back. Happy crocheting!